Chester Farms. There's nothing that brings me more joy to hear 1,000 horsepower lugging down. Hope it takes that and doesn't die. Wow, that is work. We're learning how far to take this baby. That is really, that's really putting it to the test. Beautiful material, absolutely gorgeous material. What you see right here is not fire, it's not the machine, even though we are lugging the motor down a little bit. That's hot material, and this is all garbage material that we're grinding. We've got it over here, we're gonna compost it, we're gonna spread it on our field. Chester Farms, low-cost producer, high-quality plant material. Please subscribe.